If your skin feels tight, reactive, or just overwhelmed, this is the type of product you need right now. Barrier Repair Moisturizers reinforce your skin's protective layer. Two of the most recommended right now: CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, a studied, unscented formula, and La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5, made for very sensitive skin. Apply over serum under SPF in the morning and as your final step at night, but tailor it to your skin type. For oily skin, use Cicaplast only on irritated patches, not all over. Comment barrier if your skin ever feels tight, and I'll help you troubleshoot.